Okay, in this video we're going to show you that how to create Shopify, how to install Shopify CLI in local machine in MacBook. So for that, at first open the terminal. Okay, perfect. Then if I check either the Shopify is installed or not, so for that I'm going to click the Shopify version, then yes. Okay, so the command is not available. Perfect. So now for that installation you have to have Node.js and Git and npm, or for example this software should be installed on your computer at first. You can just research on it that how to install. They are very easy step to install them. Okay, so in this video we are going to straightly install the Shopify CLI. So for that, for using npm, you can use this code and then in the terminal paste it and click enter. Perfect. So we wait for the installation. Okay, so the Shopify CLI has been installed. Now it's showing that 5 packages has been added. So now we can check Shopify help command, Shopify version. Okay, so yeah, so here it's showing the version, and if I check the Shopify help, then it also show the command that's available for the Shopify. So this is a very easy step to install Shopify on your MacBook, and this process is similar for the Windows also. So you can simply try this, and if you need any help you can comment. I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.